Hello, everyone, and welcome to My Money Grows. Software is a lucrative industry, and if you have the skills to develop software, you can make a lot of money by selling it. In this video, we'll cover 5 ways to make money by selling software. Create your own software product. The most obvious way to make money selling software is to create your own product. You can develop software for a variety of purposes, from productivity tools to games. Once you've developed your product, you can sell it on platforms like the App Store, Google Play, or your own website. Sell software as a service, SaaS. Selling software as a service is another way to make money. With SaaS, customers pay a monthly or annual fee to use your software rather than purchasing it outright. This can provide a steady stream of income and can be more profitable than selling software as a one-time purchase. Create plugins or add-ons. If you have expertise in a particular software program, you can create plugins or add-ons to extend the functionality of the program. This can be a lucrative business, as many users are willing to pay for additional features or tools that make their workflow more efficient. Offer custom software development. Another way to make money selling software is to offer custom development services. This means that you develop software specifically for a client's needs. This can be a high-paying business, as clients are willing to pay a premium for custom software that meets their specific requirements. Sell white label software. White label software is software that's created by one company but rebranded and sold by another company. If you have a software product that can be customized for different clients, you can sell it as a white label product. This can be a lucrative business, as you can sell the same software to multiple clients. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money selling software. Whether you create your own software product, sell software as a service, create plugins or add-ons, offer custom development services, or sell white label software, there's money to be made in the software industry. So start exploring your options and see how you can turn your software development skills into a profitable business.